beautiful day.
You're fucking trash, bro.
Have a shitty. Get down.
Stop! Damn. Stop! I didn't do nothing!
Tonight's officers walk into what should have been a routine call and end up giving a reality check to two women who simply refuse to listen. A night of drinks turns into a screaming match, accusations of racism, and ultimately a trip to jail. All because they couldn't take the easy way out when it was offered again and again. Here's how a no-nonsense sergeant turns chaos into consequences.
Yeah. Are you ISIS?
Kinda.
Okay, so what does that mean?
What does that mean?
That's like messed up.
I want to beat that. I promise. No, but he can't be instigating shit like he's kind of disrespecting us, and then he's gonna punch her.
He's
here every Sunday. I will get him. You're gonna kick us out. I will get him.
Yeah, you guys gotta go.
Every Sunday. I will get him. Yeah. I promise. I'll beat his.
All right.
That he's get in his ass. No, baby, he's shy. He's shy. He's not worth your time. He gets in his ass. That's why they on his side. They get their sick some, bro, for real. No, he don't know what's coming next Sunday.
Guys, be careful, all right?
You be careful.
I will, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Don't go back inside.
But please talk to him because
absolutely.
he can't be hitting women and instigating.
You've been
shit
very
and
respectful, and I appreciate that. Please take care of your friend.
He can't be hitting women. Like,
No, I get it.
I get his, but he instigated that shit. And like,
I don't care if he's gay or not.
Listen,
That
I know,
doesn't
but
bother me.
it's not about. Get it. He was drunk.
All right,
he
wait,
said
don't
this
get
is
don't get that close, though,
Listen
please.
to me.
I'm listening.
What you did, let me talk. What you did
See,
is
now you're
unfair
reasonable. Now you're nice.
because
Talking
he
quietly.
put his hands on me.
Okay.
I didn't even touch him.
Okay.
You kicking
Well, we're
me
going to
out.
kick him out, too.
You kicking me out because of a guy?
Because you're screaming and you don't listen. You got to
Listen to me. Listen, please. What's your name? Listen to me.
Sergeant Katita.
Okay, I respect you.
Thank you.
Listen to me.
I'm listening.
You kicking me out
Yes.
because of a guy that put his hands on
Kicking
me?
you out
Do you want me?
Because
Right there. You need to arrest that person because he fucking hit her.
All right.
That's. Can you? No.
Okay. So a minute ago you were very quiet.
Shut up!
respectful.
Right now you're trying to play Do you want me to hit you the way he hit me?
No.
Okay.
That would be very bad.
All right.
That would be a very bad decision on your
All right.
part. Very
so,
bad.
So you
Okay.
kicking me out because
Yes,
of
I'm
a
kicking
guy?
you out.
Right here, the sergeant spells it out in plain language.
Because of a
I'm
guy?
kicking you out to protect you, honestly. Because if you stay here, you're going to probably end up going to jail.
He's not sugarcoating anything. This is a final warning and an easy off-ramp. Just walk away and the night ends with embarrassment instead of charges. She hears the warning, but ignores it because she's too focused on feeling disrespected.
Guy is a disrespectful
Thank
place.
you. Appreciate
Don't
it,
come
brother.
here
Appreciate
again
it.
because it's a disrespectful
All right.
place.
All right, just get out before...
Racist, bro. You're a fucking racist. You're
Okay,
a big
okay.
ass.
Thank
You're a bitch. You're a bitch, bro. I'm sorry, but you're a bitch.
You are.
The fact you're seeing a whole ass nigga punching her?
He beat
No,
me.
a whole ass nigga punching her.
All right, get away from me or you're going to jail.
Get away
Oh, really?
Get away from
Who
me. or
are
you're
you?
gonna go to
Okay, I'm not touching you.
Get away from
I'm
me
not
or
touching
go to
you.
jail. You
But
wanna
I'm
go
not
to jail?
touching you. I'm saying my distance.
Get away from me or
Get
you will
away?
go to jail.
Really?
Absolutely.
Really? I mean, really?
100%.
How?
Yes. 100%.
Against the fucking
Just
law.
get into
Against
my
the law.
face.
Who are you? Because you're fucking white ass trash, bro. Look
White
at
ass
you,
trash.
bro. You're trash.
Have a beautiful
You're
day.
fucking trash, bro.
Have a beautiful
Have a
day.
shitty day.
Thank you. Thank
Have
you.
a shitty day.
Enjoy.
Have a shit. No,
Enjoy.
he's getting his sucked by fucking. Just like he's taking his.
Have a good day.
Bro. He's not even looking for shit.
Have a good day.
Look at him, you fucking bro. He's not even getting it. He's embarrassed.
Good night.
God love you.
Oh, I
God
know.
love our friend.
Take care. Have a great day. Bye. You don't like bald people? Take care.
Right here. I just made
Good luck. Good luck with them. Unbelievable.
May I talk to you, officer?
In a minute. Let's get rid
Yes,
of one
sir.
problem
Yes,
and then
sir.
we'll deal with
Yes,
another
sir.
problem.
Yes, sir.
Take care.
All the way down here.
That's class right there.
That's some class right there.
Here's the turning point. After multiple clear warnings, the sergeant moves in to arrest her, and she immediately pulls away, twists, and refuses to give up her hands. This is where disorderly conduct can easily turn into resisting, and why officers commit fully once they decide to go hands-on. Half-hearted control just gives a resisting suspect more chances to fall, get hurt, or drag everyone into a worse fight.
Not listening.
Okay, I'm listening. Please let me go.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. I gave you so many chances. You just don't want to listen.
Stop. Can you please stop?
Give me your
Can you
hand.
please stop?
Get down. Stop it.
Why she's going?
Stop it. Stop
Can you
it.
please?
Put your arm
I didn't
behind
do
your back.
nothing. Stop.
I'm telling you right now, just put your hand behind your back.
Stop. I didn't do
Stop
nothing.
resisting.
Can you please stop? Can you please stop?
You want to get tasered?
You're arresting me out of my permit.
Would you like to
I
get
didn't do
tasered?
nothing wrong.
Would you like to get tasered?
Can you please stop?
You just hold her arm.
Bro, can you help me? Bro, she didn't do anything wrong. Bro, she didn't do anything.
Stop.
Please stop.
Stop it.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
You're gonna end up hurting your arm.
Bro, I didn't do nothing wrong.
I got one.
Bro, can you please?
Ready to
help
make
me
14
out?
surgery, 10-4 for Mr. Seabreak.
Can you please help me out? Can you
That's
please?
two.
Yo, can you help me? I didn't do nothing wrong. He's arresting me for nothing, bro. I didn't do anything. They're arresting me. Can I please get my
She's
shoes?
going.
I need my shoes.
Nothing, bro.
I need my shoes.
Stop
She
it.
did nothing, bro.
I need my shoes.
She did nothing, bro.
Okay.
She did nothing.
Can you please stop?
Hey,
Stop.
hey,
Can you please?
hey. She did
Relax.
nothing, bro. She did nothing. We girls.
Bro, please. Yo, please.
Bro,
Get away. Get away.
bro, look at me.
Get away from me.
What did she do?
You got her first.
What did she do?
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Wait, I need my bag, please. I need my people.
What did I do?
I'm in the front.
No, I
What did I do? What did I do?
Stop.
No, I have my everything on there, please. Stop. Yo, can you please come here?
Stop.
Okay, don't
I have my
go
people
hard
and
on me.
everything on it,
I
please.
won't. Just hang out.
Can I make a phone call?
I need my phone.
Can I make a phone call?
Front parking lot, just to the.
All right, I'm here. You
Stop.
don't have to go hard on me. My nails hurt,
All right. Stop.
bro.
Wait here, I'll take that 911 hang up.
Come on.
Sir, can I please get my bag and my clothes off before
Stop.
people
Stop
start
with me, bitch.
Please, no, I have to call
Oh,
people,
don't forget
bro.
soda.
How am I gonna get bailed out? What the fuck?
What did we do?
I didn't do anything. What the fuck?
What did we do? You
I
knew.
gave you guys every chance to just leave.
Can you please put the stuff in the car at least?
Can I get my bag?
Man? I need
Can
my
I get
phone
my
and my
bag? I
ID.
wanna get my bag.
My phone
I
and
want to
ID
get my
is right
bag. My
there.
bag in the
We'll
street.
get your bag.
My bag in the
Would you
street.
stop?
My bag in the
Can you grab her
street.
bag, please?
I'm not getting arrested.
These are your cuffs.
Yeah.
Can you grab her bag, please?
Wait, what? What did I do?
Well, I
I
don't
gave you
know,
guys
bitch.
so many
What?
chances.
We left.
What did I do?
We literally left.
No, you didn't. You
Yes,
came
we did.
back. You kept coming back.
I'm sorry, the car's parked right here.
Oh, well. Oh, you gonna drive?
She's driving.
You're gonna drive? So you're
I'm
gonna
gonna
get a
drive.
DUI?
She's not gonna get it.
I'm not drunk.
Then that's really bad if you're not drunk. If you were drunk, at least we'd have an excuse for your behavior.
What behavior? He beat me, bro. He
you're
beat
going
me,
to
bro.
Hang on.
He beat me, bro.
Stop moving. Stand still.
I'm sorry. I'm putting the shoes on.
She's disorderly. So is she. So many chances.
You arrested us for nothing. Thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah, you told us to leave. We left. We had to come back because we're talking to somebody, and you're gonna arrest us for what reason?
It's all on video. Don't worry about it.
Oh, it's okay. Because I'm sure you clicked on when you were arresting us.
I didn't do anything, bro.
Have a seat.
I need my phone.
Okay, have a seat.
I need my phone.
Okay, we'll get you your
right
phone.
now.
Okay.
I need my boyfriend.
Hey, yo! Can you bail us out? Yeah.
All right, Jessica, he's got something to tell you, okay?
Jessica, this time you're being trespassed from property. You're not allowed back, okay?
All right, if you come back, you're going to be arrested.
Yeah, I
All
know.
right?
That's your vehicle?
That's her vehicle.
Okay. It's going to be left here. We're not
No,
going
it's
to tow it
just,
or
I don't
nothing.
understand why I'm getting arrested because they wouldn't have
Disorderly
tow.
conduct.
I know, but they
We're not arguing about it. Hey, so he's not going to tow your vehicle, all right? So whenever you want to come
It's
back and
rental,
get it,
though.
okay.
I
Whenever you
didn't
want
do
to
anything.
be quiet.
I got beat
Be
up.
quiet. Whenever you want to come back and get it, just give us a call on our non-emergency line.
Where are
so
we
you can
going?
Come back. You're going to jail for disorderly conduct.
Can I make a call?
No.
When
You
can
can
I
make a call whenever you're booked in. Okay?
I'm not going to jail.
You are going to jail.
I didn't do anything.
Disorderly conduct. Hop out.
After countless warnings and every opportunity to walk away, both women were